Pull out to the left. He's looking for a man. He gets slammed. Absolutely slammed. But the ball is caught. It's caught by John Schmidt. And John Schmidt will take it to the end zone. Touchdown, Regis.
46 seconds remain in this third period. Bean looking for it.
Bean's got him down.
And for the pin, Eddie's got it.
Has pinned him.
Once again, Elliot, one of the highlights of today's meet is the fact that it is Missy's only regular season dual meet. It's pretty cool. Missy is trying to make an Olympic run for the 2012 Summer Olympics. Missy is entering the flag. She is finishing strong. Missy Franklin wins. Missy finishes with an amazing 151 flat.
So that pitch is outside, and that'll score a runner on a wild pitch.
Ryan Wagner cleaned up. Oh,
Wigton
scores!
Wigton goes up shelf again. The top right shelf, Connor Wigton.
Top shelf, stick side for Connor Wigton.
Carey drives. Back at the Harrell from another zip code. It's good! Woo-hoo! He is on fire, ladies and gentlemen.
Great run and a through ball to Adam Mania. The Raiders might already have something here. Running down in. Adam Mania in the box. Oh, great move there by Adam. Passes up top to 11 Scar Ryan. Already a goal for the Raiders. 25 seconds in, Joe.
Absolutely beautiful play from the Raiders.
Will have to settle down and just take the shots they know they can make.
That's number 33, Carol Raleigh with a 3.
Gives it back to Josh Perkins. Josh is going to try again to drive. He is stolen by Wilford. Wilford running down. Zach Smith catches up to him.
3, the shot. Blocked by Sam Hart.
And that's
Jubilee
the game!
Championships. Regis Jesuit taking home the state championship.
For the first time in 3 years, the Raiders finally come out top. They are the Colorado High School Athletic Association state champions for hockey.